guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, please subscribe down below. And when we get to 500 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway, so make sure that you're subscribed for that. Today we're going to be doing like a pastel goth look. I don't really know. I wasn't sure where I was going with this. I just wanted to play with the pastel colors in my Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette. And when I got done with the eye part, I was like, you know what? And I'm not really feeling the contour, so I understand. But yeah, so thank you to Jennifer Metcalf, Rebecca Martin, Andrea Jean, and Paige for commenting on my last video. I really appreciate you guys' support. It means a lot to me. All of your guys' thumbs up, thumbs down, all of that. It really does help, and especially when you comment, it helps me to know what you guys like to see, but it also helps YouTube to know what you guys like to see. So please keep it up, and let's get into the video. You're going to start out priming your eyelids. I like to do that with concealer. My favorite so far at the moment right now is the e.l.f. 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I've been wanting to use these pastel shades, so we're going to go in with Gumdrop. That's blending out very nicely, actually. And then we're going to go in with a little bit of Cute on the outer corner. Ooh, it's giving me mad Mermaid vibes. I changed my whole look just because of this. Like, holy crap. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. I'm just kind of going in, but I am feeling this. Take me down to the pastel city where the colors are pretty. Oh, take me home. Yeah. Maybe I should try to put a little bit of blue in between there. We'll see how it goes. I don't know how well that's gonna work, but we'll try a little bit of blue just to be safe. I'm gonna take a little bit of Sour. Just a little bit of Sour just to deepen up that green at the bottom. Oh yeah, that's the kick it needed. Just a tiny little wince. Like, what if the mini breaker is in the big box? Ugh, I would cry. I really I hate even saying it because I know I just got this palette, but I really want that box. That's all I'm going to be thinking about now for a while. Like, this palette is so beautiful. Okay, I'm going to cut my crease. Now, he didn't claim that there was going to be a t-shirt or anything in this box, even though the last two big boxes had t-shirts in them, but I even said that I would probably get the mystery box from Beautylish because I think it's the same price, but Beautylish had better boxes. I'm going into Jawbreaker. Had better boxes on the last mystery box giveaway, or whatchamacallit, so that's what I wanted to do. I don't know. you guys will have to message me when you guys get them and tag me in your videos in my comments. You'll have to do that so I can see what you guys get. Okay, I'm going to take a little bit of sour on that inner corner. Just a tad bit. Take a little bit of cute. Okay, and I'm going to take a little bit of that purple. Take a little bit of that purple right there. And then a little bit of blue right there. It's super pretty and it's actually super pigmented. It's just because it's pastel, it doesn't look like it's pigmented, but trust me guys, it is, and it's gorgeous, like gorgeous. It's giving me all the vibes. I don't care if my wing is big, but if it doesn't straighten up, it's going to be huge. It's just one of those days. I'm going to do my other eye and my face off camera, and I will be right back. I wasn't sure where I wanted to go with this, but I think I figured it out. I used a little bit of Lavender Snow for a highlight. Actually, I'm kind of really excited about this. I'm loving all of it right now. This is like who I wanted to be as a teenager. I'm taking Spooky from the James Charles palette. And I'm placing it on the lower lash line. Only going 2/3 of the way in. Like that. And then I'm going to take another brush. Oh, my James Charles palette went right into Lemon Drop. Oh, look at that. Shattered. Okay. Well, not shattered, but scraped. Not happy. Ugh. We're going to go into Fuck. Just a little bit. We're also going to take that on the lower lash line, like. I'm going to try, attempt to blend out Spooky. I don't know if I like that. Let's get a little bit of gumdrop in there. I'm just kind of blending colors together. Well, this eye look was very pretty until I added fuck, but gotta do what we did to the other eye, so we're gonna go in. Take a little bit of gumdrop right next to the waterline. What do you guys think? Is it turning out bad? I liked it before I put gumdrop on, or before I put fuck on. It's just, I don't know. Okay, now we're going to take black liner. I think I'm actually going to take some Spooky, just a little bit. I've already done like my whole face, but I think I just a little bit want to take some Spooky. Find the right brush. Take a very little bit. How did I make my look like shit? I added black. You guys just remember what it looked like before I added the black. It looks like I got soot all over my face. Okay. Let's try and pat some of it out on this side, especially because it is very black. I just ruined my whole face look, but that's okay. That's what I'm here for, is to try things out and see if I like them, which I obviously don't. But what I was going to do before I messed everything up and just screwed the whole thing was take some of this black. I said this in the last video, I used this. I do not like this formula at all. You scared me.
What are you doing?
My makeup? What do you mean? I'm going to take a little bit of this lavender snow and place it right there. Now that my lips are dry, I'm going to put some
Going for a mermaid?
No, I think I was going for more of a like pastel goth look. But I did all the pastels and I was like, ooh, I really like that. And then I put a wing on and I was like, you know what looked good? Black lipstick. And then I was like, you know what, if I'm going to do black lipstick, I can try this. And I don't like this part. It looks, I don't know. I don't know. It's patchy, I feel like. Anyway. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Leave a comment down below letting me know how I could have done this look better. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.